In this video, we'll show you how to update Deriv account details. As a client of Deriv, it is important to make sure that your personal details are always updated for verification purposes. It is always possible, however, to update your account details. First, go to Traders Hub. Then proceed to your account settings on the top right of the page. Head to the Profile section, where you can alter your personal details and choose your default language. From the Assessments dropdown, the options Trading Assessment and Financial Assessment are available. From the Verifications dropdown, you can check and update your POI, Proof of Identity, and POA, Proof of Address documents. From the Security and Safety dropdown, you can update your email and passwords, account limit, enable two-factor authentication, and more. Check out more videos and discover how you can make the most out of your trading journey at Deriv. For more information on Deriv's products and services, head to www.deriv.com. Thank you for watching.